Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Mimi and this is Adorning Spaces. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I took this small, scary looking pantry and I turned it into, ta-da, this. I have to be honest with you, I was slightly embarrassed about how this pantry used to look, but at least the good thing is that it doesn't look like that anymore. If you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram at Ms. Mimosa. And without further ado, let's get right into it. The first thing I did when I finally decided to organize my pantry was to draw a layout of how I wanted the pantry to look. The layout wasn't meant to be perfect, however. It was just meant to give me a starting point. As always, I already had my inspiration pictures picked out. Now, I wasn't under any delusion that I could recreate this pantry in its entirety, but I did incorporate some budget-friendly elements from the pictures. The first organization items I purchased were my containers. I used different styles and brands of containers to give the pantry a dynamic yet cohesive look. What I love most about them is that they are BPA free, which is just awesome. They are 100% airtight and leak proof. I also repurposed a few coconut oil containers as food storage containers. I have an upcoming video on creative ways to repurpose items in your home. There are many reasons to repurpose items, but one of the most important reasons to do so is because it's green. I labeled the storage containers using vinyl chalkboard stickers and a chalk marker that I picked up from Walmart. The labels were a simple yet fun way to make the containers look uniform and neat. Remember when I mentioned earlier that I went with some budget-friendly elements from my inspiration pictures? Well, all the bins and baskets I used were purchased from the dollar store, except for one. This one was purchased from the at-home store. The smaller bins were 2 for $1 and I used them to store teas and hot cocoa. The larger baskets were $1 and were used to store a variety of things from cooking oils to baby food to paper towels. The one characteristic that all my bins and baskets have in common, that I really love by the way, is that they are all see-through. Yep, I have artwork in my pantry. This artwork was actually painted by my uncle. He's a well-known artist in Chicago and he gave it to me as a gift. Share with me in the comments below if any of you have artwork in your pantries as well. The best thing about shelves is that they are space savers. They create storage space where there is none, literally. I purchased them from Walmart and they came in a pack of 3 just like in this picture. As you can see from this previous arrangement, the cans used to be located on the 3rd shelf, but moving the cans up created the space for me to rearrange the bins and display them in a way that I felt was more aesthetic. It is not uncommon when organizing a space to move things around until they look just right. A quick tip for you while organizing your pantry. It is a good idea to structure your pantry in such a way that it will not only be organized and Pinterest-worthy, but also practical. Place things you use often in easy-to-reach places. Consider if the item is better kept in its original packaging and placed directly on a shelf, or if it is better off poured into a container. I got this undershelf basket from TJ Maxx for just $2.99, and it's great for storing foil paper and sandwich bags, for example. It is also useful for cabinet organizations as well. For our supplements and vitamins, I got this M Design shelf from Amazon. They used to go in one of the white baskets, and I just didn't like how they looked in there. I really like the shelf because it has layers and it expands. I've even seen some people use similar shelves to store spices as well. I bought this plastic bag holder from IKEA, and it is by far the best way to store plastic bags that I've seen so far. I mean, look at how I used to store them in the past. Another quick tip for you, since we are heading into the holiday season, if you've ever wondered where to keep your wrapping paper, well, you're in luck because this holder is great for that. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. And until next time, bye-bye.